Whether you're an experienced gardener or a novice learning how to grow your own plants, grow lights are fantastic resources for your home garden. They make it possible to cultivate a variety of plants indoors, regardless of the season or amount of sunlight. Light is among the most vital factors to consider when growing plants, because it is a vital component of photosynthesis, say Jamie Chan and Bliss Herrera, who write about all things horticultural for the blog Fog City Gardener. We researched the top-rated grow lights available online, and tested a few in our own homes. We then evaluated their size, wattage, bulb type, ease of setup, and overall effectiveness. Our best overall pick, the GBR30 Grow LED light bulb, is versatile enough to fit in any standard lamp and provides a balanced light spectrum for effective plant growth. Here are the best grow lights for your plants, backed by our thorough research and testing.
Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Starting at number 1, Aspect Small White Luxury LED Grow Light. This hanging grow light from Soul Tech Solutions is as sleek and attractive as it is functional. It comes in two sizes, 5.8 by 3.8 inches with 2000 lumens, and 7 by 4 inches with 4000 lumens. Both are extremely powerful and provide a nice amount of natural-looking light. We also like that this lamp is sleek and stylish and comes in two colors, black and white, to match your decor. Although this hanging light is one of the more expensive options on the market, it should last longer than the competition. According to the manufacturer, it can last for up to 15 years when used for an average of 16 hours per day. We tested this 20-watt lamp on an aloe plant with very favorable results. After 3 weeks of use, we noticed several new growths sprouting up, which was much more than we had experienced without the light. Number 2. Feit Electric Dual Full LED Plant Grow Tube Light. Designed to be mounted flush or hung against a ceiling or wall, the Feit Electric Dual Grow Tube Light is meant to replace traditional greenhouse lighting and delivers the full spectrum to help achieve optimal results for a variety of plants and flowers. The energy-efficient LED bulbs have low heat emission, so you don't have to worry about burning your plant's leaves. The bulbs emit 450 nanometers of blue light and 655 nanometers of red light, an ideal combination that encourages plant growth and photosynthesis. 1. For added convenience, the light arrives fully assembled and is easy to install. The unit comes with two 6-inch hanging wire harnesses, a 5-foot plug-in cord, and all the necessary mounting hardware. Although the stated life expectancy of the bulbs is 25,000 hours, we noted that some bulbs stopped working within several months. However, this light is more affordable than some of the other options in this roundup, should it need to be replaced. Number 3. Venoya 75 watts LED Grow Light for Indoor Plants. Affordable and energy efficient, the Venoya LED Grow Light is an excellent choice for a full spectrum hanging light, with a spectrum of 380 nanometers to 730 nanometers, which includes UV, ER, red, and blue light. These lights have a vegetative coverage of 2 by 2 feet. In addition to encouraging herbs and seedlings, this light can spur even the most delicate tropical plants and flowers to flourish year-round and at every stage of growth. At 75 watts, this grow light is powerful without getting hot. The Venoya Full Spectrum Grow Light is lightweight and comes with 4 stainless steel wires and an S-hook, which you can attach to a dowel, rod, or hook. A potential downside is that it lacks a timer, so you need to reach the light to turn it on or off. We like that it comes with a 12-month warranty, should you have any issues. Number 4. AeroGarden Harvest Elite with Gourmet Herb Seed Pod Kit. The AeroGarden Harvest Elite offers full-spectrum 20-watt LED light, so your indoor garden can thrive. In the large grow deck and bowl, you can grow up to 6 different herbs, flowers, or vegetable varieties year-round. The kit also includes seeds for 6 different herbs: Genovese basil, curly parsley, dill, thyme, Thai basil, and mint, measuring just 11 by 4.61 by 15 inches, With a sleek design, this seed pod kit looks great on a desk or countertop. The digital control panel includes a timer, vacation code, and advanced settings, so your hydroponics get proper care, even when you're out of town. Since the height of the lamp is adjustable up to 12 inches, you can make more room for your plants as they grow. We read some reports that AeroGarden Harvest Elite stopped working shortly after setup. Be sure to take advantage of the 1-year warranty if you encounter any problems or defects. Number 5. TorchStar Plant LED Kit Indoor Herb Grow Light. With full spectrum solar simulation, the LED plant kit from TorchStar provides the ideal amount of light for growing indoor herbs. To mimic natural sunlight, it illuminates for 16 hours and then shuts down for 8 hours overnight. Measuring 14 by 19.89 by 16.54 inches, this herb grow light is the perfect size to place on a desk, table, or countertop. Thanks to an all-white design and modern aesthetic, it should blend in well with most decor without detracting from your herbs. This grow light requires a minimal amount of assembly, but we expect you can put it together in about 10 minutes. You can plug it into a standard outlet, and the product comes with a well-certified power adapter for added safety. Be sure to take advantage of the 2-year warranty if you encounter any problems. Number 6. Gardener's Supply Company Stack and Grow Lights System. This modular unit from Gardener's Supply Company allows you to grow plants vertically and expand as needed. Measuring 31 by 15.5 by 21 inches at its base, the compact, stackable design frees up precious floor space. Each shelf can hold up to 110 pounds, and you can add up to 2 shelves, in addition to the base unit. When stacking 2 or more units, you may need to anchor it to a wall with the supplied brackets for added stability. With 3.5 square feet of space on each tier, you should have plenty of room for seedlings and a variety of other plants. Meanwhile, 2 full-spectrum fluorescent bulbs cover a large growing area. High-tech reflectors direct light downward, reducing glare and encouraging plant growth. The unit is easy to assemble. The pieces snap together, and no extra tools are required. It's also lightweight, which is a major plus. Each shelf weighs 7 pounds, and they come apart for easy storage when not in use. Number 7. Spider Farmer SF4000 LED Grow Light. With 5 by 5 feet of vegetative coverage, the Spider Farmer SF4000 LED Grow Light illuminates a large area. This 450-watt grow light emits a full spectrum of colors: white, blue, red, and deer. You can adjust the dimming from 10 to 100%. Despite their large capacity, the included LED lights are energy efficient, according to the manufacturer. Thanks to a new diode layout, the light is more evenly distributed at optimal intensity. For safety, this unit features waterproofing and protective covering on the cables. It's made from durable aluminium, which doesn't throw off a huge amount of heat. 3. The only feature this otherwise stellar performer lacks is a timer. Hanging it above your plants is easy, and it lives up to the manufacturer's plug-and-play claim.